It's done. What? Let's get this one off the build plate. Whew. It bit me. All right, so let's get the supports off here. Now, I was a little careless on bronze back there, because that broke the tooth on that one. But this one came off beautiful. So I gave him some red eyes. And this is a Midgard Serpent, is what it is. Check that out. Pretty cool looking, isn't he? I'm digging them. So my Midgard Serpents here are from STL Flicks, and you will need a membership to get to these files.